Hello everyone, this is Orlando Christmas, and since, since this is our first episode, I'm going to start with the unboxing of our Light-O-Rama controllers. So, when you first buy your controller, I'm going to put this over here, you're going to get this here box, okay? And I've opened mine already, just if anyone's curious. So, first you're going to get a box, small one, like this. And inside of this box, you will receive, if I can get this out, you will receive your controller, nicely packaged in some bubble wrap. So, just take that bubble wrap off. Normally it'll be taped, but I already opened mine. We'll throw that over there. You'll see there's lots of little things there. Anyways, besides the point. So, you have your controller. We'll put that off to the side. Then, also, because I bought the starter package, since this is my first controller, and it gives you a pretty good software discount, I also bought this here, I don't know if you can see that, Light-O-Rama USB connector, and inside of this, you will receive this little thing here, which, it's hard to show this. It's going to have this on one side, and an RJ45 connector on the other side. See? And then it'll also have a USB cable and driver software. Put that back in the box. Okay. And next, because I bought the starter package, you will get a user manual to the controller itself, a user manual to the RS-45 adapters, a quick start guide, and I paid the extra $4 and I bought the disc. I like discs better. And get your UPS receipt. This will be on the outside of your box, taped in this little holder here. This will be inside your box, and that's it. Also, as a side note, I forgot one thing to mention while I was recording the first part of this video. All this stuff you can buy at Light-O-Rama, Light-O-Rama.com, and they have a very nice online store. Not necessarily nice, but that's all I'm going to say. So yeah, you can buy that at Light-O-Rama.com. That's where they will have everything you could possibly need to buy, including RJ45 cables, which is just standard Ethernet cables by Home Depot, etc. Everything you could possibly need for this, and even radio transmitters, if you would like to transmit your music to people's cars if they're driving by. Anything you want to do. So, anyway, this will finally actually wrap up this video. So, thank you everyone for watching. This has been Orlando Christmas.